So here you have yourselves the Sous Vide. It is great for juicy meals. It has the table right here, so it's also Wi-Fi connected. You can control everything through your phone, which is great. Once you download the app, you can see the options and everything will tell you what you need to do for what meals you want to cook. So if you look at the app, you have the options to put meat, eggs, whatever it is that you want to cook. It tells you right there how long the temperature is or should be and how long you should cook it for. It also has a clip right here to be able to put onto your bowl or pot, whatever it is that you want to put your food in. And then you also get some bags to vacuum seal your food. You're also provided with a cookbook, the instruction manuals, and where to download the app. And you also have a travel bag, which is great. It is a fantastic product for accuracy in temperature, time, and it gives you very great meals.